Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm the product training manager for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today I want to show you a newer product that Broan-NuTone came out with. It's the PEN811. This unit behind me is an 80 or 110 CFM fan. Just a matter of flipping a switch and you can get either or. The purpose of the video is just to give you a rundown on what comes with the product and how it gets put together. So let's get started. Alright, what comes with the purchase of your new PEN811? You get the housing with the blower already mounted inside. You get a 4-inch duct damper connector. You get an installation instruction. You get a knockout panel. You get a parts bag that contains 5 screws. And you get a grill assembly. This grill assembly comes with the springs for attaching the unit. First thing that you want to do is how you get this motor out of this unit. You can take a regular screwdriver and you can just put it between the plastic housing, lift up, and do the same on both sides. This whole unit will slide out just like so. This is the blower assembly. I'm going to set that blower assembly on the side. This is your wiring box. This switch right here is where you can actually, all you need to do is turn it to 80 CFM or 110 CFM, depending on what CFM output you want. To get this electrical box outlet out, if you take a look, it's basically attached inside this housing. If you push the housing out, you can actually lift up to remove it. Here's all the wires. You just make your wire connections. The duct damper connector actually gets mounted into the housing just like so. You just kind of put it in on an angle, and if you take a look, these 2 tabs here kind of lock into place here. There will be 1 screw right here, so you're going to use 1 screw that came with your parts bag to attach that damper. I'm not going to do that right now for filming purposes. What I'm going to do is put this wire panel back in, and again it just slides in just like so, snaps back into place. The blower assembly just gets pushed into place and it'll snap into place. You would then take 2 more screws out of your parts bag. One would go here and the other one would go here, and what that does is it secures this blower assembly in. What you would do is, here is the motor plug for that unit. You're going to want to plug it in just by lining it up and pushing it on. Again, set your CFM. Here is the knockout for this particular unit. This knockout, you'd put a wire restraint in. And if you take a look at this, it basically gets put on and you'd have a screw placed right there. And this would be the screw from your parts bag again. The grill for this particular unit, again, has grill springs. Those grill springs latch into that plastic housing. So what you're going to do is you're going to, and I'll show you here in a second, you're going to grab the springs with your pointing finger and your thumb, and you're going to just line it up inside the housing. You're going to do that on both sides. You're going to line it up, and then the grill will slide on into place like so. That's all there is to this product. I hope this short video helps. Thanks for watching.